Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Nokia has mobile data and tethering is allowed by your carrier. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, and choose Hotspot and Tethering. This is the only route on stock Nokia phones. Tap Wi-Fi Hotspot to enable it. Set a clear SSID so you can find the network, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong password to prevent freeloading. Once done, the hotspot icon appears in the status bar, and your phone is broadcasting. Next, you configure the hotspot details so it fits your needs. Select the AP band, 2. 4 GHz gives better range, 5 GHz gives faster speeds. Pick based on distance and interference. Limit maximum connections to control bandwidth and turn on client notifications so you know who joins. Set a data limit or warning to avoid spikes and reduce hotspot idle timeout to save battery. Make sure DHCP is default so connected devices get IPs automatically. These settings stabilize the. Finally, connect your laptop or tablet. On the client, pick the SSID and enter the password you created. Confirm the client shows an IP and internet access. Monitor data use in settings and kick off any unknown devices immediately. If the client cannot access the internet, toggle mobile data off and on, then restart the hotspot. This often clears routing errors. If problems persist, verify your APN settings and carrier tethering provision. These are common causes when the hotspot broadcasts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.